Even with the keys, we still got totally wiped out.
And we can only stay in Legendary Ranger mode for a short time before our energy is drained.
That monster will be back. When he is, I don't know if we're ready for him.
Get into your opponent's head. Use your instincts to sense their next move and feel their attack coming. Plane, please.
Plane. Okay, coming up right away.
What? You never seen a Ranger order a froyo before?
You're Jaden, the Red Samurai Ranger. You're, well, legendary.
I'm Troy. It's an honor to meet you.
I know who you are. We've been watching you. We know what you're up against, and I thought this might help.
This disc belonged to your father. Use it to double your power.
Fire Smasher, dual mode!
Thank you. Wait, where'd he go? How did he do that? Hey, did you just see...
Are you sure you don't know?
Where'd he do...